Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Starbucks gift card. It's quite simple. When you're ready to pay for your favorite coffee or treat, just present your physical gift card to the barista. If you're using a digital card or have loaded your physical card onto the app, simply open the Starbucks app and scan the barcode at the register. The total for your order will be automatically deducted from your card's balance, making your transaction quick and easy. Keeping track of your gift card balance is easy. You can check it online by visiting the Starbucks website and entering your 16-digit card number and 8-digit security code. Alternatively, open your Starbucks app, navigate to the cards section, and your balance will be displayed instantly. When your funds run low, you can reload your card in store, online, or via the app, typically with a minimum of $5, ensuring you're always ready for your next order. The Starbucks app offers fantastic convenience for managing your gift card. Simply add your physical or e-gift card to the app by entering its 16-digit number and 8-digit security code. Once added, you can use the app to pay seamlessly in store or even order your drinks and food ahead for quick pickup. Beyond beverages, you can also redeem your gift card for various merchandise or coffee subscriptions directly on the Starbucks website, expanding your options. To get the most out of your Starbucks gift card, consider registering it with Starbucks Rewards. This allows you to earn 2 stars for every dollar you spend, leading to free drinks and food. You can also easily combine balances from several gift cards onto a single card within the app, simplifying management. For ultimate convenience, set up auto-reload online or in the app, so your card is always topped up and ready for your next delightful Starbucks experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.